Okay, I know you guys have been listening to me talk for quite a while, but I'm just gonna leave you. If you weren't listening throughout the last like 20-ish minutes, this is the part you pay attention. Simply put, take that first step. You know, I always hear people come up to me say, "Oh my gosh, I had this great idea. You know, it would have made millions." And I'm like, "Okay, well, why weren't you doing it?" You know, and that's the biggest thing is that, unless you're out there actually pursuing it, how do you know if it's going to succeed or if it's going to fail unless you're out there doing it? If you're not actually taking this idea and trying to figure out what you can do with it, then how do you expect to succeed with that same idea? And, once, find something that you love. That's all I'm going to say. Find something that you love, because if you do, everything, you're going to enjoy what you're doing. Work's not going to feel like work. You're actually going to be interested and eager to get home from school and try and do something and work on it. And that's a great feeling, to actually do something that is your own. Do something that, with no other strings attached, and you do it because you think that, this could be something that could affect other people's lives, and something that you're also interested in doing. And the hardest, part is always taking that first step. But once you do, once you get that ball rolling, you're just, coasting. So, to all the entrepreneurs out there, keep it up. You're doing something great. And don't be afraid to ask for help. And just keep doing what you're doing. And stay focused. Take time to look back and see why you love doing what you do. And that will keep you going.